In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A37, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off Suggest Text Corrections option. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on General Management. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And following that, choose Predictive Text. Now to activate it, use gray switcher next to your language and then go back. Once you do, all of those options will show. Tap on Auto Spell Check and use this switcher next to your language to enable underlining misspelled words in red and suggesting corrections. You can disable it by tapping on the same switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!